Before we use our clipper over comb method, we're going to debulk with our foreguard all the way open. Here I'm using my clipper over comb method to debulk and also smoothing out the edges. Now that we're done smoothing everything out with our clipper over comb method, we can move on to our go to effects and create our first guideline. We're then going to use our foil shavers to bottom out and remove the stubble. Before we blend the taper, we're going to go ahead and line up the side of the ear, starting off at the bottom and working our way to the top arch using our Go FX. Make sure to go slow enough that the hair feeds into the teeth of the trimmer, because if not, then the hair is going to shift and then you won't line them up properly. Now that we're done lining everything up, we can move back to the taper and use our no guard all the way open to create our second guideline. Now that we're done using our no guard all the way open, we're going to switch over to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. When you're in the taper area, since it's a small area, you want to make sure you use the corners of the blade. Now that we're done using our one guard all the way open, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Make sure to use your corners. Using our 3 guard all the way open to debulk is going to help us blend into the top. Now I'm using my 4 guard all the way open and I'm flicking out as much as possible. I'm going back to my 1.5 guard to use the corners to soften up the middle line. I'm also going to use my 1 guard all the way open and my half guard to detail. Here I'm using my thinning shears with my comb, and I'm making sure I thin out the thick parts of the hair. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Also, if you guys want to show some extra support, go ahead and leave a super thanks down below or follow the Instagram. Now we're gonna head back to our 1.5 guard and detail the side. Now that our taper is blurry as hell, we can move on to our shear work on top and create our first guideline through the top of the capitis and work our way to the sides. Always make sure that the hair is nice and saturated so you can get its true length. Now that we're done with the shear work, we can move on to our Turkish razor or Derby premium blades and make them as crispy as possible.